Hello everybody, this is Austin Endo here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable your Windows 10 login password, guys. So by this method you don't have to re-enter your password again and again, guys. Sometimes you just want to log in into your PC directly. Every day you have to just re-enter your password again and again, which is actually irritating sometimes. This is just like the Instagram or the Facebook, remember me check. When we check the remember me sign, and after that we never have to enter our password again, we are just remembered again and again. So yeah, this time I'm going to show you how to do that. I would like to give a short disclaimer before I start this video. This method will not reset your password, so make a good note of that. Or any, just you hack a password or something, please do not expect anything in this video. In this video it is only shown that how you can just disable your Windows 10 password or your login, so you don't have to re-enter your password again and again, and you will be also logging into your computer directly. So make sure to follow me in this video. So I have to re-enter this password again and again when I restart my computer, or in case I lock my computer. So yeah, if you want to do, just stop that, then what you could do is, first step is go to your start and make sure to type in there add and edit. Even if you type add and edit, even just like this, you will get this option, add, edit or remove other users. Make sure to click on that, guys, and make sure that you click on sign in options. So after you go to sign in options, make sure that you go here, require sign in, and make sure to click on never. After you do that, guys, make sure that you close this thing. Now this work is done, and now again go to your start and type in there net plwiz. So yeah, make sure that you search for this and make sure that you hit on that. After this section will pop out, guys, where it will show you users must enter a username and password to use this computer. So as you can see, guys, this is checked, so we have to uncheck this one simply, and after you click on apply, it will ask you for your password. So make sure that you enter your password and make sure to re-enter your password and just hit on OK, guys. So as you can see, guys, now it is unchecked. Now guys, once that's done, make sure that you restart your computer to see the changes. So I'm 100% sure that this thing will work, and also you don't have to re-enter your password again and again once again. So until and unless, guys, you don't manually lock your computer, don't just lock your computer just like, then obviously it will ask you for a password because you're locking your computer by yourself. So it only applies when you restart your computer, and when you turn on your computer once again, or shutting down or turning on somewhere in the future. So I hope that this video will help you in some other way. If you like this video, then please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and if you like my content until now, please do subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you could not miss any videos as soon as I upload them on YouTube. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll take my leave now, guys. I'm Austin Endo here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care, everybody.